So Concerts and Cakes, or Songs and Scones as it can be known, is one of our core programmes. And it's a very simple idea, but it has a profound impact on people. And the idea was to bring exceptional musicians for intimate, interactive performances for older people within the community, many of whom are isolated or living on their own, and a chance to have a cup of tea and a piece of cake, and a chance to socialise as well and do something different. And for many, it's actually a lifeline for them. They come monthly to the sessions, they get to meet new people, they might bring friends with them. Sometimes care homes even bring trips as well. And there's just sadly too few opportunities like that out there today, and that's why I think it's become quite successful.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's good to see so many of you here. I can't really see. Myself and Jess are both part of a scheme called Live Music Now, and that's a great scheme that enables us as young musicians, young professionals, to work in care homes, schools, day centres, and it's wonderful, isn't it?
It's a really great experience for us. We've got so many stories, I think, of different, how it's affected individuals and groups of people. And we had a performance just this morning actually where we went into a care home and we had such a fantastic time, and they all had little instruments and joining in with us, and it makes it completely personal and it gives us a different outlook on audiences.
And I think it's very important that we come to them. They can come local and they can have a cup of tea and a chat and some cakes and then listen to some classical music or quartets or bands.
I think music's something that relates to everybody, isn't it? So it always triggers memories and everybody can join in with us or something, so it's a lovely inclusive kind of feel.
Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice greatly. Rejoice, O daughter of Zion.
Being able to provide something that is high quality for people right on their doorstep, where they feel that they have a sense of value, a sense of worth, that they are deserving of the best live music. And also because our musicians are specifically trained in working with those community groups, they know exactly how to adapt their program. They're very warm, they're very approachable, and rather than being a formal concert where there's perhaps distance between artists and performers, it's a lot more like a lounge concert, and that intimacy creates a real sense of community, a sense of enjoyment between everybody. There can be sing-alongs, there can be requests, and for many it really is the highlight of their month. Those are the reasons why we do what we do, and those are the reasons why we would love to be able to deliver more Concerts and Cakes opportunities across Wales and the UK as well. And so we're always keen to hear from partners who might be interested in delivering those sessions with us and positively impacting older people in their local community.